Hello guys, this is finally a new video. I'm really sorry I haven't done a video for like many months or maybe even years. I'm really sorry for that. But I'm not dead, I'm still building. And as you can see, and as you can read in the title, this is an AR15. And it's basically, I first built an AR15 in Gunstruction. It's an app where you can basically customize AR15s, and it's really cool. For iOS and Android it costs about €2, but for the PC it's for free. So this is really cool, and I just built an AR15 and then I decided to replicate it in Lego. And this is it. I will show you my construction version of it right now on the screen. The gun features a custom upper receiver as well as lower receiver, a mag pull grip. It just feels much more comfortable than the standard one. Then we have the Magpul CTR stock, and on the real one you can extend it and retract it, which my version cannot do. But anyways, I've built in this lever just to make it look better, and in reality you just push this lever or pull it. However, and then you can move the stock, and if you're finished you can push down the friction lock, which is this part, and then it cannot move anymore. It's just for decoration on my replica, but that's how the real one works. And then we have the front handguard or rail system with a Magpul grip, stubby front grip. This is the muzzle brake or whatever. Pretty standard design. On this side we have the fire selector and the bolt catch, which is also not a standard one. It's a bit bigger, so you can reach it easily if you reload. And then we have the charging handle, which is also just for decoration. Let's move on to the accessories. We have the rear sight and the front sight from Magpul, which are flip-up sights. And on the real one you just push a button here and it flips up, which I obviously didn't replicate, but you can just flip it like that. And then I have also built an T1 Aimpoint Replica, which is this nice little red dot here, and I will show you that. So the Aimpoint T1 features a quick detach or QD mount, which is basically you can open this and then detach it. Very simple. Now this is what it looks like with the you can switch between the brightnesses here, and this is just for vintage and these kind of things. This side is reddish, like a reddish lens, which also the real one also has this. That's what I tried to replicate here. And on this side you just have the clear pieces and a red dot in the middle. And I can show you the also not a real one, also a replica, but realistic replica. This is the side with the red dot, and on this side you have the reddish lens, as you can see. Okay, let's just turn it off again. Oh yes, and the quick detach, that's what I wanted to show you. It's basically open, closed, and it locks in. Okay, that was the T1. Now let's go to the magazine, or the magazines, because I built 2 of them. Let's just put the Aimpoint back on, just like that. Then we have the smaller 15 round PMag, which looks like that, and the 30 round PMag. And as you can see, I tried to replicate the bullet window here, which is the where you can count the bullets, just like that. This is a MacBook PTS training magazine, and as you can see, you're able to count the bullets here and see how many bullets you got left. That's what I did here. That's why I built in these yellow bricks. Now I will show you how it looks on the gun. Okay, that is what it looks like. It looks really, really nice with the 30 round PMag. It just completes the look of the gun. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.